Hi, and welcome to my channel where I document my real day trading journey, the good, the bad, and the boring. Today is Tuesday, December 16. I'll be trading Robinhood stock. Ticker symbol is HOOD on the 1 minute time frame. One stock, one time frame, one trade a day if my setup appears. My goal is to simplify trading as much as possible to fit my personality and my lifestyle. So I intentionally eliminate noise that I personally don't believe is necessary to succeed in the market. This channel is about the process, discipline, and consistency, not hype. This is just for education purpose only. The green line is the low of yesterday and the red one is the high of yesterday. Gonna try to draw some lines here to see if it gives me a pattern. It looks like bullish so far, going towards the top to retest, but you have to wait for confirmation. That's a big bar breaking. You already had the move. It's probably gonna go here, but it's just too risky for me. I was hoping this bar to break small incoming retest, so it goes towards the top. It was already a big move. It could just be the break of this channel or the retest of the wedge, so it's confusing. What looks like is putting a sandwich here, red bar, green bar, and reject with the red bar. Looks more bearish than bullish. I just like to take patterns like on the top or the bottom, not like in the middle. The arrows are if I have token this on the retest of this wedge here, but I wanted the bar to be smaller, not just going all the way and come back. This would be my target, this would be my stop. But I just didn't like the setup, the retest, because I already had this big move here, so I was kind of hesitate to just take over here. See if it gives me an entry here. If it touch and reject, I'll enter in this area if it gives me a type of pattern like retesting this trend line here. I need to see a rejection here from the top of yesterday for me to enter. Combine with this trend line here. If this bar closes red here, this will be my entry, this will be my stop. I might just go because this probably was enough rejection here. I just like to see a red bar. Yeah, it's almost at the place that would be my target. Oh, boy. So this is my entry, this was the entry, this is the stop, and this is the target. The buyers are definitely pushing it, but this is the high, so it should give some push, but you never know. But this is the most likely probably at the area that I have for bearish. All right, so we got in the trade 904, hit the target 910, so 5 minutes in this trade. Was a quick one, nice one. So as a recap, for the whole move, so I have this wedge here. Like I have this wedge. Here, broke it. I was hoping to have a small break so it come retest and go towards the top, because that was the direction I was thinking it was gonna go to. But it already had this big move, so that's the reason I didn't enter here, because it could just definitely go bearish as well, because it was the same amount, the distance was the same amount as the top. And also put this mini channel here. It had this fake break of this channel bearish here, and put a a sandwich pattern here. Could trick you in to go bearish, but then put this mini channel breaking bullish, and I was hoping to get, it was kind of retest of this break of this trend line here. I mean a combination in this area with this trend line here. So I wanted to see some rejections here on the top of yesterday, which ended up happening, but I needed to see like a red bar, at least a small, a tiny, any amount of like a red bar in this direction. That's my signal, that's my confirmation for going bearish. So I enter here. I don't know why my stop didn't cancel. So my stop was here. and my target was here. It was 5 minutes on this trade. So this trade went my way, but the real win today is stopping after one trade. Good days can be just as dangerous as bad ones if I get careless. You have to stick with your rules, your discipline. So it always process over profits and discipline over dopamine, always. So thanks for watching.